Today is May 15th, and in Michigan, that means blessing of the bikes. We're going to head towards Baldwin today, and we're going to see a lot of motorcycles, but we're also going to pick up a couple geocaches. Come along for a fun ride. We got in a little road time. Now it's time to take a break and find a geocache or two. Today I brought a pen. And today I also wore my hiking shoes because my riding boots just aren't made for hiking through the woods. Looks like we have about a 1/10 of a mile to hike down this trail to find our cache.
Zoom zoom. I don't know about you, but I don't think I really want that for swag.
Well, that was a fun little hike and a good hide. I think we got another one not too far away. Right now I'm really at ground zero. I've got this multi-trunk tree, this one, and that one. It's got to be one of them, right? My guess is this is a great big one up here. Am I right? Did I make the right choice? No, it doesn't look like it. Based on the last hide, I made an assumption, and I shouldn't have, because it's not in a multi-trunk tree. There we go. Ooh, nice one. We did find it. Let's sign the log, put it back where we found it. Mosquitoes are coming out early this year. Whew. Folks, what started out as a nice sunny Sunday afternoon ride turned into darker skies, and I chickened out. I didn't make it all the way up to Baldwin, but I still had a nice ride and I still got to find some geocaches. I want to thank you for joining me today. We'll see you next time on Cache Tales.